Proverbs 27:17. As iron sharpens iron, so one man sharpens another. Good morning, folks. Sean Antel, Two Brothers Bushcraft. This was the premise for the local men's church organization I was invited to's Saturday morning pancake breakfast. The church had come in recently and purchased a very nice custom fillet knife from Semper Sharp and was giving it away at this pancake breakfast. And the reason for my invitation is because part of what I do for Great Northern Knives is I sharpen and maintain people's knives. And I was really privileged to be invited to do such a thing. I brought several of some of my favorite knives from over the years. Some of them production stuff, most of them more custom. And the reason for the variety is because each of these knives require a slightly different type of maintenance. And so I discussed how to take care of each one of those, how they would be sharpened, and just basic general stuff when it comes to maintaining tools, and how this whole thing blends right into how people should be lifting each other up in the community and their families. There's just not a lot of that going on these days, and we need more of it for sure. Anyway, I was really privileged to be invited for such a thing, and had a great time. Met some cool people. Very nice young man won that fillet knife, and it will serve him for many years to come for sure. The reason for the audio overlay is because, again, this is still a learning experience for me, and even though I had the camera set up close by and a microphone in my hand, which was the first time I'd ever actually gotten to speak using a microphone, I forgot to turn the mic on the camera. So we're going to just add some music into this, and I'll stop rambling on, and I hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for joining me this morning, and have a great day.
nobody been. Deeper in the mountains and the sun will ever shine. I make a new trail, I leave you all behind. Drink from a stream, hunting for an elk in some woods I've never seen. I ate a handful of mushrooms sitting underneath the tree. The rain fell down for an hour on me. To the rising sun, made love in a meadow till the day was done. Watched a bear in the woods while the fog was setting in. I ain't never going back to the city again. No!